Did you know that 60% of school construction projects experience severe delays, cost overruns, or even structural failures? Some schools collapse just months after completion, putting thousands of children in danger. In 2019, a school in South Africa collapsed, killing students in the middle of class. In the US, mold infestations have forced school shutdowns due to poor ventilation. And in some developing nations, schools are built so poorly that they don't even last a year. Why is this happening? Is it poor oversight, corrupt contractors, bad designs? Today, we're uncovering the shocking hidden dangers in school construction that put children and teachers at risk, and what architects and builders must do to fix it. Stay till the end because I'll reveal one of the most disturbing school construction failures that could have been easily prevented. Schools aren't just buildings. They are where the future is shaped. A well-designed school can boost student learning, concentration, and safety. A poorly designed one, it can lead to disasters, illnesses, and even death. But here's the problem. School construction is one of the most neglected sectors in the building industry. Often built on tight budgets, rushed timelines, and political pressures, schools frequently become the first victims of cost-cutting, poor engineering, and corrupt practices. So what exactly goes wrong? Let's break it down. One of the biggest mistakes? Schools being built in the wrong locations. Soft soil, flood-prone areas, or unstable ground can lead to structural failure. Schools placed near highways or factories expose students to noise, air pollution, and safety hazards. Some are built too small, causing overcrowding within months. In Nigeria, schools were built in swampy areas, causing rapid foundation sinking. Within just 5 years, entire buildings were unusable. The next silent killer? Cheap materials. Many schools cut costs by using low-grade concrete, weak steel, and poor insulation, which means fire hazards from bad wiring, toxic air from unsafe materials, and extreme temperature swings due to poor insulation. In Turkey, a school collapsed during an earthquake because of weak concrete. Investigations revealed that corrupt contractors had mixed too much sand with cement, a common cost-cutting trick that weakens structures. Regulations exist, but are they enforced? In some regions, school buildings don't meet fire codes, earthquake-resistant standards, or even basic ventilation rules. And the worst part? Some officials look the other way. In Haiti, many schools were built without earthquake-resistant designs. When the 2010 earthquake struck, dozens of schools collapsed, trapping thousands of students. Even if materials are good, bad designs can still make schools unsafe. Flat roofs in heavy rain zones, recipe for disaster, no emergency exits, major fire hazard, overcrowded classrooms, poor ventilation, spreading illnesses faster. In the UK, a school expansion project collapsed due to poorly designed support beams, forcing students into temporary classrooms for over a year. Climate change is making school construction even more challenging. Heat waves make classrooms unbearable without proper insulation. Floods damage schools that lack proper drainage. Hurricanes and earthquakes require stronger buildings, but are they being designed for it? In Nepal, many schools collapsed in 2015's earthquake because they weren't designed for seismic activity. Had they followed basic earthquake-resistant construction methods, hundreds of lives could have been saved. Now that we know the dangers, how do we fix them? Well, it starts with stronger regulations and strict enforcement. Better site assessments before construction are crucial. Choosing quality materials over the cheapest bid can make a huge difference. We need seismic, fire, and climate-resilient designs. And of course, transparency in budgets to prevent corruption. One great example, Japan's earthquake-resistant schools. They use shock-absorbing foundations and flexible structures to survive major tremors, proving that safe schools are possible. Before we wrap up, Here's a real case study that shows just how devastating poor construction can be. In Pakistan, an entire school collapsed during a mild earthquake, killing dozens of students. Investigations revealed that the walls had no steel reinforcement, the foundation was weak, and the construction was rushed. What's heartbreaking? The collapse was completely preventable. If just a fraction of the budget had been spent on quality materials, those children would still be alive. We can build safer schools, but it takes awareness, accountability, and action. Comment below. What do you think is the biggest problem in school construction today? Like this video if you believe every child deserves a safe school. Subscribe for more insights on architecture, design, and sustainable buildings. Stay tuned for our next video, how to design a school that lasts 100 years.